Hello, Conway 29527. Vicky Harvey with Vicky Sells Grand Strand, back again with the May 2024 single family residential market update. So 263,993 was the average selling price for this zip code in May. And I'm not sure if you listened to my last one, but when you look up, that's why I'm doing it like this. So January to May, and then you can go above and see January to May in 2023 to kind of compare them from where we were last year. But when you see something really crazy like this January average price, that is because something sold high end in that community and jacked up the prices just for that 1 month, and kind of skewed, as they would say, the averages. So that's why, because you can see it went right back down to where it was in 2023 and 2024. So that's why when you see that, that's what happened. Okay, so average is 112. So we're definitely less days on market, which is awesome. Quite a bit, actually. Yeah, that's good. The average price per square foot went down just $1 from May. 3.6 months of supply, so that's the inventory. 151 active listings, 65 pending, and 46 closed sales. So doing good out there. They're still building out there. Actually, that's where they are building. Is in Conway, Loris, and Longs, because that's where the property is now. So if you have any questions, I'd love to help. I help buyers and sellers, and I've been doing it for 26 years. So call me 843-222-7800.